Want to make your text go viral? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to create the trending see-through text effect that grabs attention and keeps people watching. Let's jump in.
All right, so let's jump right into it. So we're going to go ahead and create this viral jump through effect. So the first thing you need to do is have a video already ready, whether it's a recording of you jumping or someone else, depending on what you are trying to create. If you need a video, no problem. So what you want to do is come over to Canva. I believe this is a pro feature, and you're going to put in this prompt. If you need a copy of this prompt, it will be pinned in the comments below the video. So you're going to put in this prompt. You're going to click on create a video clip. You're going to click on your style. We're going to keep it at cinematic. Aspect ratio 16:9. Duration 8 seconds. Framing, we're going to do wide shot, and then you can pick your lighting. I'm going to choose cool night light, but you can choose whatever you want. After that, you're going to go ahead and click generate and see what type of video it gives you to create this effect. So once you have your video all set, we're going to go back to the home page in Canva. And when you come here, we want to create a video. So we're going to click on video landscape. Now, if you want to do this in real format, you can do that as well. But for the purposes of this video, we are going to do video landscape. So I'm going to click on that. All right, so now we have our blank canvas. So the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and upload your video by clicking upload. Once you have your video uploaded, you're going to go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and resize my video to fit how I want it. Okay, now that I have my video how I want it, now I'm going to add some text. So I'm going to click on the text box here. I'm going to click add text box. You're going to pick whatever quote you want to use. You want to keep the letters to a minimum if possible. So I'm going to say, you got this, sis. And I'm going to resize it. And I want each of these on a different line. And then I'm going to adjust the sum. So I'm going to click on advanced settings, and I'm going to reduce the size so that the words are closer together. And let me highlight this so that they all group together. Okay, that's good. And then I'm going to resize this, and I'm going to pick a font that's a little bit more bold. So I'm going to use a font called Horizon. And I'm going to push this in a little bit. I think I'm going to put it there. And then what I want to do is change the color so that it pops out some. So I'm going to change this to pink. I think I want more of a hot pink. Change that. I think I'm going to use this one. Okay, so once I have that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this by just clicking on it. and there's a duplicate button at the top. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this second one that I just duplicated, and I'm going to click on Effects, and then I'm going to click on Hollow. And then I'm going to put it back. All right, the next step is I'm going to click on the video. I'm going to duplicate it, line it back up where it is, and then I'm going to click on Background Remover. I believe this is a pro feature. If you need to, you can always use another application to remove the background and then bring it back in. Now, here's the important part to put this all together. I'm going to click on Position, and I'm going to click on Layers. This is the order of layers that you want. So the first layer, you want your hollow text. So I'm going to put that up top. Okay, now the second layer is the video with the background removed, which we already have there. The third layer you want to be the actual text, and then the fourth layer you want to be the video, and then of course the last one is the actual page. And that is it. So we are going to preview this to see if it all comes together.
And that's how you create the viral see-through text effect in just a few minutes. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and check out my other design hacks so you can keep leveling up your content.